Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start the next GMAT class. In this class, as usual, we'll start with one table. Today which table? Table 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are 8 threes are 12 fours are 16 fives are 20. 6 are 24, 7s are 28, 8s are 32, 9s are 36, 10s are 40. 11s are 44, 12s are 48, 13s are 52, 14s are 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80. As usual I say, as anyone asks, any of your friends ask, what is 4 90s are immediately 76, 4 8s are 32, 4 14s are 56, 4 16s are 64. Like that if you are able to say, it's very good. Now, I am giving you two problems usually. Today I will give you three problems, three oral problems. What are those? First one, if x by y is equal to 16 by 24, what is 24y? If x by y is equal to 16 by 24, what is 24y? What do we do normally? Whenever is equal to sign is there, we will do like this. 16y is equal to 24x. So what can we do? Since we need 24y, we will find out what is y. So y is equal to 24x by 16. So 24y is equal to 24 into 24x by 16. 8 2s are, 8 3s are, 2 1s are, 2 12s are, 3 12s are 36x. Before my solution, if you want to try by yourself, pause my video and work out and then you see the answer. Shall I start the second one? If the side of a square is increased by 20%, the area of the square will be increased by what percent? If the side of a square is increased by, square means all the sides are equal. Let me draw the square. Side of the square is increased by 20%. In the last class I said if it is 20, 40, 60, 80, take 5 or 10, that is easy. So 20% of 5 is 1, 40% is 2, 60% is 3, 80% is 4 and 100% is 5. So if the side of the square is increased by 20%, it was 5. 5, here also 5. What is the area of the square? Area of the square is equal to a square is equal to 25 square centimeter. So if it is us, they have not given centimeter, units you write down, square units. So if the side of the square is increased by 20%, so what is 20% of 5? 1. So increased. So 6 and 6. How much? A square is equal to 36 square centimeter units. So by what percentage the area is increased? Out of 25, 11 is increased. 13, 6 minus 25 is 11. Out of 100, how much? 25 ones are, 25 fours are, 11 fours are, 44% is increased. Now, let me explain one more third question. How many revolutions will a toy wheel of 28 centimeter in diameter make in traveling a distance of 880 centimeter? You must have seen the toys. In that toy wheel, what is the diameter of that wheel? 28 centimeter. Diameter is equal to 28 centimeter. And it moves a distance of 880 centimeter. So what is the question? How many revolutions does it make? Whenever the toy wheel is rotating, it is not area, it is the circumference. What is the formula to find out the circumference of the circle? Pi d or 2 pi, isn't it? So what is 2 pi r or pi d, right? Pi d or 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 14 centimeter, right? 28 divided by 2, 7 ones are 7 twos are 88 centimeter. for one revolution 88 centimeter. So it has moved for one revolution 88 centimeter. It has moved 80 centimeter. So how many revolutions? 880 divided by 88 is equal to how many? 10 revolutions. I hope you have understood these three problems. Let me go to the new aspect today, that is placing the correct symbol when the statement is given. Let me explain some of the problems and I will give you some problems. You will be able to do it very fast because it is very easy. I will give you one example first. I will give you one example. 15 star 4 star 8 star 3 and option is A plus is equal to division, B minus is equal to plus, C plus into is equal to, D is equal to minus plus, E plus minus is equal to. Now you have to go from the options. Suppose if you put for the first star plus is equal to division. So let us see. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 is equal to 8 divided by 3. No, wrong. Next one. B. 15 minus 4. How much? 11 is equal to 8 plus 3. 11. So which option is correct? B is correct. That is the example I have given. As soon as you look at it, you should be able to write down 15 minus 4 is equal to 8 plus 3. Now let me do the second problem. 17 star 6 star 10 star 1. Some of you can do it even without any options. But let me give the options. A plus is equal to division, B minus is equal to plus, C plus into is equal to, D is equal to minus plus, E plus minus is equal to. As soon as you look at it, 17 and 10 and 1. 17 minus 6 is equal to 10 plus 1. So, as some of you can make out immediately. Otherwise, you go for each and every option. 17 plus 6, 23 is equal to 10 divided by 1 is 10. No. 17 minus 6, 11. 10 plus 1, 11. Let me do the next problem. Look at the question in the slide. 6 star 2 star 8 star 4. Options A into is equal to plus, B plus into is equal to, C is equal to plus into, D into plus is equal to, E is equal to into plus. So as soon as I look at it, I can understand. 6 2s are 12 is equal to 8 plus 4. Is it correct? 6 2s are 12 is equal to, first option only. Is it? 6 2s are 12. 8 plus 4 is also 12. So, if you cannot make out and if this is not there, you go option wise. 6 into 2, 12 is equal to 8 plus 4, 12. Correct? Now, next question. Star 9 star 3 star 8. A division plus is equal to, B is equal to division into, C is equal to division plus D division is equal to plus E division into is equal to. Whenever I give such problems, remember the BOD mass. What is BOD mass? Bracket of D division BOD mass. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now, let me see. A, is it correct? 24 divided by 9. Some number comes. Don't want. Leave that. 24 is equal to 9 divided by 3 into 8. Division and into comes together. So which one to do first? Division. 9 divided by 3. 3 8s are 24. So what is that? Correct? This option is correct. Next one. 4 star 4 star 3 star 8 star 4. As soon as you look at 4 3s are 12. 8 plus 4 12. Okay, let us see the options. A is equal to plus into. B plus into is equal to. C plus into minus. D into is equal to plus. E is equal to into plus. Which one is correct? Maybe 4 is equal to, no, it is not possible. 4 plus 3, 7, no, not possible. As I said, 4 3s are 12 is equal to 8 plus 4. So this option is correct. Let us go to the last but one question of today. What is that? 25 star 4 into minus is equal to. B is equal to into plus. C division is equal to into. D minus is equal to into. E is equal to plus into. Now, as soon as I look at it, 25 is equal to 4 2s are 8 plus 17. Maybe this is correct. Is equal to 4 2s are 8 plus 17. B is correct. Let me solve the last one. And I will give you 5 questions. You should be able to answer those 5 questions as your homework. 18 star 4 star 3 star 6. Did you get the idea? Okay, let us see. A into is equal to plus. Is equal to plus into. C is equal to into plus. D plus into is equal to. E into plus is equal to. 18 4s are 72 is equal to not possible. 18 is equal to 4 plus 3 7, but BOD mass addition comes first, subtraction later, isn't it? So multiplication first, addition next. So this is not possible. 18 is equal to 4 3s are 12 plus 6. So what is the option? C. I hope you understood this. I'll give you another 5 questions or 6 questions. Please try to do that and you'll be very happy whenever you do it by yourself. Such type of questions come in many of the GMAT classes or your aptitude test. So if you like my class, Please subscribe it and share it with others. Thank you very much.